Yeah, so my name is John Gray, a principal with Rockport Analytics, here today at the Fall Conference presenting our outlook for engineering and design services with the ACEC Research Institute.
Hi, I'm Joe Bates. I am a research consultant with the ACEC Research Institute, and I'm here at the conference presenting some of the great research that we've just unveiled on the economic impact study as well as the sentiment study. So inflation is having a few different impacts. One is the wage inflation, and most public sector firms they have escalation clauses built in, and inflation is far outpassing those escalation clauses, and most of the cost of a firm is in labor, so that's causing a real problem right now. There are also supply chain issues that are still affecting the industry, although some of those are starting to ease up a little bit, as our latest economic report shows. But I think the other challenge with inflation is just uncertainty. We don't know how long it's going to last. We don't know when it's going to start to ease. And it's just harder to plan for your business when you have inflation going at the rate it is. And then the final one that comes to my mind is the interest rates are going up because the Federal Reserve is increasing the target rate, and that's going to increase any borrowing costs for firms as well. So there's quite a few impacts from that, in my opinion.
Yeah, and I think Joe hit on all the main points that we see with respect to inflation. The one thing I'll add about wage rates is that we don't think that, unfortunately, for firms that are trying to find workers and are having to deal with tighter margins, that wage rates are going to go down anytime soon. In fact, we expect continued increases as we move into 2023.